Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. Now I will continue the PSPP's practice, especially for normality test. As far as I know, that normality test is used to determine whether a given data set follows a normal distributions or normally distributed populations or not. Well, without further ado, I will move to the steps. For the first, I will to prepare my data to be analyzed in my Microsoft Excel like this. Then now I will move to my PSPP. First, to do normality test, I will create 4 rows for each types of score like this. Score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4. After create 4 rows, in the label column, I will write the descriptions of the data. And it's what follows or depends on the name of the data that I have, which are experimental class has pretest and posttest, and control class has pretest and posttest too. So I will write the descriptions of data like this. First is pretest, experimental class. Next is post-test, experimental class. Next is pretest, control class. And the last is post-test control class. After that, in data view, I will copy all of the data that I have from my Excel. For the first is pretest from experimental class. I will copy all of them like this, Control C, and I will move to the PSPP again, and I will paste the data that I have copied to be here. Control E. I will wait a minute. Okay, all right. Now I will move again to the Excel, and now I will copy the post test from experimental class. Then I will paste the data here. Then I will move again to Excel, and now I will copy the data of pretest control class. I will paste in score 3. And I come back again to Excel, and I copy the post-test data of control class. And I will paste here in score 4. After this, I will click Analyze. Then I will choose the non-parametric statistics, and I choose one sample key as. After the dialog box was appear, I will copy the all of the data or the all of the score variable into the test variable list. Just Control A and then move to the side. And don't forget, I will check the normal part. Then I will click OK, and the output will will appear in my taskbar like this. For the last step, I will determine whether my data is normally distributed or not by seeing the assumed significant value. Normality test has a criteria of his significant value. The criteria are if the significant value or assumed significant value is more than 0.05, it means the data is normally distributed. However, if the assumed significant value is less than 0.05, it means the data is not normally distributed. So I will look here. In my pretest experimental class, the assumed significant value is 0.733. It means the data of pretest experimental class is normally distributed. And from the post-test experimental class, the assumed significant value is 0.6322. It means the data is normally distributed. And from pretest control class, the assumed significant value is 0.332. It means the data of pretest control class is normally distributed. And from post-test control class, the assumed significant value is 0.956. It means the data of post-test control class is normally distributed. Alright, that's all about my normality test practice. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.